Vault Veritas SCP Files. Episode 44 Jigsaw. River, do you mind?
I'm bored, Niall.
I never would have guessed.
I've twisted Damien into a spiral and flattened him into a disc. I've fiddled with every button on that collar's controller. I know what they all do. It's boring now.
Then record something.
Genius idea. Except that I've done that too. I've told your recorder every story I have. Twice. It's still boring.
Find some way to entertain yourself. I'm busy. River, I swear.
You get to leave these stuffy passageways and go do fun things. Spending time with Mary, chatting with Miranda, investigating new leads. Meanwhile, I'm stuck here, babysitting Damien and staring at boring camera feeds all day, every day.
Then spy on people using the cameras. That'll be fun for you.
If I start moving them around too much, Seth and his security lackeys will notice that someone else has access.
You give Seth too much credit.
And you don't give him enough. Besides, I have been watching the cameras. Nothing interesting has happened since the raid.
They rebuilt the damaged areas, plastered over the bullet holes, rehired personnel, and Seth personally screened every staff member. They've combed through every inch of the site.
That they could find.
Yes, that they could find.
And still, none of that was interesting.
Well, now we're running an experiment on Scott. That's new. That's interesting. So quit complaining and keep watching the cameras.
Fine.
Hello? Niall? Hello? I'm ready to leave now, but the door won't open.
Riveting.
Quiet.
Where did you go? Niall!
He's going to come looking for you.
No, he won't.
It's so quiet. Where did you go?
Aw, he's scared.
No, look at him. His body language isn't tense, there's no pacing, no darting eyes. He's turning his back on the passageways to either side of him. He's not scared, he's confused.
Well, sure. You did lead him through a secret door into a hidden room, told him to stay put, and then left. I'd be confused too, and I'm not even sure I can feel confusion.
I think I see... What is that? Niall? Did you drop something? Papers or... something?
Hey, why are there papers in the hallway? There's never been anything there before.
A decoy. I wanted to see if he'd disobey my order to stay in the room. I left a few things within sight to tempt him.
Well, that's kinda mean, don't you think?
I need to know if I can trust him.
What's on those papers?
Oh, they're just old reports. Not that it matters. If he does approach and look at them, he won't remember any of this.
Niall?
He's going for the papers.
Put the trank gun down. He's not going to leave his room. Come on, Scott, stay put.
Fine. I get it. I'll just wait here then.
Huh. You were right.
I always am.
And you're so sure of that you brought amnestics.
I knew I wouldn't need them. But it never hurts to be prepared.
So, he won't leave the room. Fine. How sure are you that he won't run to Miranda or Seth about the passageways afterwards, though? We kinda need these, you know? Look, I'm a good fighter, but I can't hold off the entirety of site security if they come storming in. And if they find Damien, or the secondary camera feed we've set up back here, or figure out that we have access to everything from this room...
He won't tell anyone. Seth just snapped at him, and he knows Miranda's not on his side. I'm the one he trusts.
You're willing to bet everything on that?
At some point, I have to.
You're rushing this. You haven't thought it through.
You haven't thought it through, sir. Don't forget who's in control here, River. You're getting out of line.
You can't be serious. Since when do you pull rank on me? You're just mad that I'm poking holes in your plan. You hate that I'm making sense.
Yes, I do hate that.
You are coming back, Niall. Right? Right?
So, why are you rushing it?
Like I said, I have to. Things are unraveling. Chains breaking, containments failing. We need a solution, and nothing has worked. People are giving up, River. Writing off the world like it's already over. They're preparing for the end. Forming little pockets of protection, talking about minimizing casualties when everything collapses.
The end? I'm not sure what you mean.
Yes, the end. Of everything. Of the world, of our reality, our universe. Everything. They're acting like it's inevitable. Like the universe is a sinking ship. Like everything we have and everyone we know is just expendable. But I won't think that way. I can't. Not while I still have the energy to plan.
Oh. I didn't realize it was that bad.
I know, and I can't tell you more either. I'm sorry.
I never expected clearance at your level. It's fine. It's fine, sir.
You can drop the sir. I didn't mean that.
Yeah. Yeah, I know.
I didn't honestly expect you to care.
I like the world. It's fun. I'd rather it not end while I'm a part of it. It's not like I'm scared or anything, but I'd rather us all continue existing.
I'm scared.
I can tell. This is one of those cases where I know I should be too.
I know this is all a risk, but Scott has to trust me. We're running out of time. He has to.
Well, he isn't moving around anymore.
Thank goodness. Thank goodness. Okay. I'm going to let him out.
Okay. What do you plan on telling him?
That this room is his safe space. Somewhere to escape Miranda and Seth when he needs to. But he must never, under any circumstances, go further into the passageways. I'll make something up. Maybe a danger or something about containment breaches. He'll listen.
And I just stay here? It's fine, sir. I'll stay put and keep an eye on everything.
No. Actually, I do have a job for you. I will keep an eye on things here. You, I need you to prepare for the next step.
Oh? I get to leave?
Yes. I need you traveling quite far abroad, actually.
Yes! Finally! Where am I going? What am I doing?
I need information. Real information. I started with the Chaos Insurgency, for I was so sure that they would have solid insight into the anomalies and how they interact with the world. After speaking with Damien, though, let's just say his priorities are questionable. He's more interested in recruiting me than sharing the truth. But he's still here. I can still get information out of him. And there are others out there who have more insights. It's a puzzle, you see. Every group has their own unique piece. Nobody on their own is going to be able to fix the mess the world is in. But together, once the puzzle is completed...
The different groups of interest are not about to just willingly talk to me, Niall.
No. But I'm not asking you to have a civilized chat with their leaders over tea. You'll just end up getting yourself into danger. Or killed. This is reconnaissance. You're good at that. I want to know where they are, what they're up to, who's involved, what's their plan. The rest we'll figure out later. No unnecessary risks. Am I clear?
Aww, that's no fun.
We've been playing the long game here, River. This mission is authorized, has been for years. We're in the middle of a set of plans that have stretched back decades. Visit the Wanderer's Library. See what you can learn. From there, O4 and O5 will guide you. They'll have intel you need to track everyone down. Keep them appraised of your every move. Do not leave out any details, no matter how small they may seem to you.
Huh. That's going to take a while. This is no quick trip you're sending me on.
We'll be secure here. For now, at least. It takes as long as it takes. Keep in touch.
Always. Don't miss me too much.
Just come back in one piece.
You know me. I'm unstoppable.
A puzzle. A puzzle with only 2 pieces so far. 2 pieces and a constantly ticking time bomb.
Vault Veritas SCP Files is a podcast inspired by the SCP Foundation. It is based on the SCP Wiki located at scpwiki.com. It is licensed under a Creative Commons Attribution Share-alike 3.0 unported license. This episode featured Justin Gellner as Scott Anderson, D.R. Thompson as Niall Connors, and Leola Angel as River Frey. It was written and edited by Leola Angel. We welcome comments. Please rate and review us. Email us at vaultveritas@gmail.com. Join our Discord channel using the link in the episode description. Visit us at Blue Sky. Or for additional content, visit our Patreon. Thanks for listening.